Hello friends, as we know that RCB reached to the playoffs, so I have created a RCB poster and I have created a tutorial for everyone. It's a very beginner friendly tutorial. So I created a tutorial. First of all, I add the background in my artboard. With that background, after that I add a cricket stadium in which I transform the image and using the property screen. So I uses the brush, pen brush to merge my stadium with that background. So it looks fine. Now I use the image of fire and I put the fire in the center of the image. Yeah, it looks fine. I use lighter color for that. Transform the image. After that, I add one more layer and I place the image of the fireworks, which looks on the top of the stadium. I use magic wand tool. After that, I change that firework to screen. So it looks very fine in that stadium. I put that above the stadium. After that, I put the image of the players. First of all, I put the image of Virat Kohli in the center and transform the image. After that, I transform that image. After that, I put Rajat Patidar. Rajat Patidar on the right side of the image, and I put that layer below the Virat Kohli. Now, yes, it looks fine. I transform the image. Third image, another player, Bhuvneshwar Kumar. It's from the left. It's below the. I rasterize the layer. Then I transform the image. It looks fine. I put Bhuvneshwar Kumar layer below the Rajat. If you want the image in the below of the front image, so you have to put the image layer below that image. So it goes below the top image. Yeah, it's like that. Same magic one tool transform. Simple procedure, very beginner friendly. Rasterize the layer of my image. Magic one tool, remove the background. Same transform. And I select all the images, all the players, and put them into the group by using Ctrl G. Now, to touch the finishes in the image, I use the other features like stroke, outer glow, drop shadow. These three features. It looks that the shadow was easily visible inside that image. Now I put my title Road to Finale by using Trojan font. For that, now I get finished. I touch finish to that gradient overlay, outer glow, stroke, these all. Now increase the image. Yes, certain gets fine now. Yes, Bevel and Emboss. It's look perfect. Yeah, it's look perfect. I think it's look perfect. Let us one more thing in that image. I have to remove the outer glow. Now it's look fine because it looks blurry. If I put outer glow, it looks blurry. Then I place the RCB logo on the top of the image. Yeah, I select the RCB logo. crowd image, which looks which provide it's a real feature, like it's look real. See the touching, the shadow of that road to finale is visible on the crowd image. Now I merge that crowd image to the background. Otherwise, yeah, using the brush tool, then merge that image with that background, so it's not look different. It merges with my background. You can't see the difference. I put a trophy image, then magic wand tool, remove the background thing. Yes, that. I show one more thing. I put the spotlight. First I put that red smoke, the layer, and I put that in the left of the image. Yes. Spotlight and these things I uses the spotlight for the light purpose. Now that spotlights come into that image. Now coffee comes. Then the final touches of that poster. Thank you everyone. I hope you enjoyed the video and the poster looks